Winter is coming, and you know what that means. Itchy scalp, dandruff, and dry hair. Luckily, I have a mask that will get rid of these problems in just one wash, leaving your scalp hydrated, your hair shiny, and you confident. Here's my hair before the mask. And here is my hair after the mask. Those photos are just a night apart. The star ingredient of this hair mask is bay leaves. If you're Indian, I'm sure you can find these in your mom's pantry, but if you don't have them, you can easily purchase them at a grocery store or online. Grind dry bay leaves and separate the powder from the bigger chunks. Dandruff is basically fungus and bacteria on your scalp. This is normal and can happen for a variety of reasons. But bay leaves are high in antifungal and antioxidant properties, so this will help you get rid of dandruff and get healthy hair naturally. After I've infused the bay leaf chunks in coconut oil and let it infuse in warm water, I take the powdered bay leaves and add it to Greek yogurt to make a smooth paste. The yogurt mixture will be your scalp scrub, and the infused oil will be your hair oil. Greek yogurt is high in lactic acid, which makes it a perfect exfoliant for your scalp. Apply the infused oil to the ends of your hair. Coconut oil will help hydrate your hair and bring back life to your locks. Use only a little if you have thinner hair. I leave this in my hair for at least 30 minutes and then wash it out. And this is my hair just one night after. No more dandruff, just smooth hair that gets better and better by day. If you love this hack, be sure to subscribe and share for more beauty hacks by Rika.
Isn't just me.